everyone, welcome back. So I went shopping during Black Friday and Cyber Week like everyone else did. So instead of waiting until all my packages arrive from the various places I ordered, I thought that I would do a video as each package arrives, just showing you all what I decided to purchase. And then I'll do like separate review videos, potentially, maybe. We'll see in the future what I decide to do. But I thought it would still be fun for you to kind of go shopping with me and see what I got. So the first box to arrive is from Urban Decay, and I ordered a couple of things. Number one, I've been dying to try this out. This is the Urban Decay All-Nighter Waterproof Setting Powder. And this is the compact. This is not the loose one. So I really like the packaging. It's textured, so these feel like water droplets. And as you can see, it's kind of reflective. This is the shade that it comes in. So it's not colorless. I wouldn't even call it translucent, but it does look like the shade should work for me. I guess we'll see when I test it out how sheer it is and how much color there potentially may be. Then I'll be able to give you a better idea of if it'll work for you. The next thing I ordered from them were a couple of their Moondust eyeshadows. I wanted to get 4 of the colors, one of which I already own because I have this like little compact that's like super sparkly, and I wanted to depot them and put them all in the sparkly compact so that I have all my sparkly eyeshadows in the sparkly compact, because, you know, it's me. But I already have, let's see, here it is. I just want to make sure I get the name right. Glitter Rock. Okay, so the one that I already have is Glitter Rock. That's this one right here. And so the 2 new ones that I ordered are Cosmic and Solstice. So I wanted to order Space Cowboy. That was the 4th one that's supposed to go in my quad, but they were out of stock of it by the time I placed my order because I was like going back and forth on, do I really need more eyeshadow? No, I don't. But then I'm like, I want these, and they're on sale, so let me pull Cosmic out of its packaging so I can show you. So here's Cosmic. And then the other one, so this one is supposed to be like a white base with like a reflective shine. I'll swatch for you in a minute. They're super sparkly. And then the next one is Solstice, so they're supposed to be like red with a green shift, which I thought would be perfect. You know, the 2 of these for the holidays especially. So you can see the red and the green shift. And this is the one I already had, so I'm just going to show you for comparison. Glitter Rock. And the last thing I ordered was I am finally going to try the Vice Lip Bond. So I plan on doing, hopefully, we'll see what happens because we don't know what future me is going to do. But I'll hopefully be able to do an all-day wear test for you all with this one. This is Unbreakable, which is a red because, you know, a red lipstick. Everyone needs a unmovable red lipstick, and I'm just basically going to try all of them, apparently, because I have so many shades of red. It says to shake it up beforehand. that is what it looks like. I'm not going to swatch that one because since it says it's supposed to be like immovable and not budging, I don't want to like swatch it on the back of my hand and have it like not move all day. But I will swatch the eyeshadows for you real quick. So this is Cosmic. And the next one I'm going to swatch is Solstice. Ooh, yes, those will be beautiful together. And just for fun, even though this is not one that I ordered in this round, I'll just put Glitter Rock there for comparison. Look how pretty those are. Those are so, oh, I love these. So, and they're way more shiny and reflective, like in person, than they're showing up on camera. I would definitely use these wet with a sticky eyeshadow base. I personally like to use a glitter primer or my, of course, my Urban Decay primer potion, because that also has some stick to it. While we're here, let's just go ahead and dip one of the non-glittery fingers from the other hand into this. Okay, so. And I can't really see it at all, which is a good sign because it's supposed to be a setting powder, so I don't really want to be able to see the color in it, you know? But we'll see. I want to do like a full test with the all-nighter line because I have the all-nighter primer and I have, of course, my beloved all-nighter setting spray and now the setting powder, so I want to like put all of them together and see how much it makes a difference in my makeup. So I'm very excited to do that. I mean, okay, why not? I'll go wash my hand like immediately so I can just swatch the lipstick color for you. And here is the red. So, there you have it. That's everything that I purchased from Urban Decay over the Black Friday Cyber Week extravaganza. Special shout out to the social media coordinator for Urban Decay that runs their Twitter account specifically. Because when we thought that Twitter was going to be over and it was going to end and it was basically like the Twitter apocalypse, we were all saying our goodbyes, the social media manager was just going nuts on Twitter and I was loving it. It was hilarious. And then like the next day they posted, and I don't know who runs the account. I have no idea who they are in real life. But the next day, Twitter was still available. So they posted something about how they had a meeting with HR over like the stuff they had tweeted. And I thought they were hilarious personally. So I like went and wrote an email to the company to be like, please don't fire whoever the social media manager is for Twitter because I think they're awesome. And they were making me laugh so much when we thought Twitter was dying. So hopefully it's still the same person. I think I would notice if the personality changed. But shout out if you're the social media manager of the Urban Decay Twitter. I really appreciate you. And that is all. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you back when I get my next